In the ever-evolving world of interior design and handcrafted furniture, few pieces strike a balance between aesthetic presence and functional necessity, like the organic wooden entryway table. What makes this simple piece of furniture stand out, especially for modern homeowners and emerging woodworking entrepreneurs, is its unique visibility in both accessibility and profitability. As a first impression maker and a daily use object, the wooden entryway table carries a kind of silent authority. It welcomes, organizes, and introduces personality. But beyond its role in the home, it also reveals a growing trend in the market. People are craving authentic, natural, handmade items that reflect a return to quality and sustainability. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Each project is designed to inspire your next move, whether you're a seasoned craftsman or just starting out. Join us, subscribe, and make every space more you, with style, warmth, and a touch of wood. Today we will show you a collection of organic wooden entryway tables project design ideas for modern home decor and income generating. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. The accessibility of creating organic wooden entryway tables stems from their flexibility in design. Whether minimal or rustic, narrow or wide, floating or freestanding, these tables can be built with basic tools, reclaimed wood, or locally sourced lumber. For a beginner woodworker or a small batch artisan, this is a gift. One doesn't need a massive workshop or a CNC machine to bring these pieces to life. A simple slab of wood, sandpaper, a few hand tools, and a finish that brings out the grain. That's often all it takes to create something both visually striking and highly functional. And because entryway tables are typically modest in size, the material investment is minimal. A single board or a few planks can produce a full table, often using offcuts or reclaimed pieces. This keeps costs low, and from a sustainability perspective, it adds even more value. The ability to take a discarded piece of wood and transform it into a warm, natural centerpiece at the front of a home is a powerful act of design and environmental responsibility. That's not just accessibility in terms of tools and skill, it's philosophical accessibility. It allows the maker to enter the world of craft without waste, without excess, and with meaning built into every grain. What makes the organic wooden entryway table profitable isn't just its function, but its symbolism. When people decorate their homes, the entryway is rarely overlooked. It is the first and last space they and their guests experience. Buyers want this space to feel warm, grounded, and intentional. A handmade wooden table satisfies this desire in a way that no mass-produced product can. Its imperfections tell a story. Its curves and texture echo nature. Its structure quietly communicates stability and warmth. And in a market saturated with uniformity, these qualities stand out boldly. This is where profitability finds its stride. The modern consumer is willing to pay for authenticity, especially when it enhances the environment of their home. A handcrafted entryway table carries with it the appeal of exclusivity. No two pieces are alike. Even when designs are repeated, the grain of the wood, the knots, and the hand-applied finishes all ensure uniqueness. Buyers are not just purchasing a piece of furniture, they are investing in a personal story, in craftsmanship, in timeless material. That emotional appeal carries value, and with effective branding, storytelling, and photography, these pieces can command prices that far exceed the cost of materials and time. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Online marketplaces and social platforms have elevated the visibility of these tables even more. A single photograph of a well-styled entryway table, placed near a hanging mirror, a ceramic bowl for keys, and a houseplant, can evoke a lifestyle. It can invite a viewer into a dream version of their home. It can inspire clicks, shares, and eventually, sales. For woodworking creators, this kind of visual storytelling becomes part of the product. It enhances the perceived value, and it allows for scalable interest. One table shown in the right light can lead to custom orders, collaborations, or full product lines. The table is no longer just furniture. It becomes a vehicle for business growth. For beginners and small shop woodworkers, this combination of low-cost production and high-value appeal is an opportunity that should not be underestimated. Entryway tables don't require complex joinery or architectural expertise to be impressive. Clean lines, sturdy legs, and a beautiful finish are often enough. As makers become more confident, they can add drawers, shelves, or decorative elements. But even the most minimal organic design, think live-edge slabs or sanded reclaimed beams, can carry immense decorative impact. And customers love pieces that balance rawness with refinement. They love tables that still feel like trees. There is also a social and emotional layer to this craft. Creating an entryway table allows a woodworker to participate in someone's daily life. That table may hold the first coffee cup of the morning, the mail and keys at night, a family photo, or a vase of flowers for every season. It becomes part of a household's rhythm and memory. That intimacy gives the maker's work meaning beyond the sale. It creates legacy. And for the buyer, it turns a functional item into a daily source of comfort and pride. More broadly, this represents a cultural shift. In a world growing more conscious about consumption, people want fewer things but better things. Organic materials like wood fulfill this desire with honesty and beauty. An entryway table made from walnut, oak, cedar, or reclaimed pine brings nature indoors. It ages with the home, develops character, and outlasts trends. In a market of fast furniture, such timelessness becomes a selling point. And when a customer learns that a local craftsman or a self-starting beginner made their table by hand, the emotional value increases. The price they pay is not just for the object, but for the ethic behind it. From a business perspective, this reliability matters. An entryway table is always in demand, no matter the season. It's a neutral piece with wide appeal. It's not bound to specific trends or colors. And because it can be customized, shorter, wider, with hooks, with a drawer, it can be tailored to fit small urban apartments or expansive country homes. This flexibility in both design and function makes it a cornerstone product. It can be a lead offering, a workshop staple, or an introduction to a broader catalog of wooden home decor. What truly sets the organic wooden entryway table apart, however, is its dual visibility. Visible in the home as a signature design element, and visible in the market as a consistently sellable, profitable project. For those stepping into the woodworking world, it represents a clear path, a project that is meaningful to build, relatively easy to replicate, customizable for clients, and beloved by buyers. It bridges the gap between creativity and commerce in a way that feels authentic, manageable, and scalable. In the end, building and selling organic wooden entryway tables is more than a project. It is a statement about beauty and simplicity, about sustainability through design, and about creating pieces that resonate with real people in real spaces. It is where wood, hand, and home come together. And it is where many woodworkers, beginners and pros alike, find their first true success. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked organic wooden entryway tables project design ideas for modern home decor and income generating. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.